Welcome to King Barry and Company. Let's have an introduction to our animals. So, top of the list, King Barry. He is the main guy in the Bearded Dragons. We have Grumps. We also call him Sir Grumps. He is the grumpiest at times, hence the name. Then we have Obi. He also goes by Obi-Wan Kenobi. Next on our list is Thor, Princess Thor. And then we have Flame, our beautiful Flame. We also have an adult corn snake called Delilah. We have a baby corn called Dal. And we have another baby corn called Doodles. And then we have our toys called Lady. And if that wasn't enough, we have a giant African snail called Steve. I hope you enjoy learning with us and growing with us. And thank you for visiting, and don't forget to subscribe.